Welcome back to Talk Portuguese, your daily spot for easy, relaxed Portuguese conversations. So, grab your headphones and maybe a coffee, because today we're diving into real-life Portuguese, the kind people actually use. Here on Talk Portuguese, there are no scripts, no pressure, and definitely no perfect accent required. It's just you and me, learning together, one simple conversation at a time. In every episode, I'll help you learn useful phrases, everyday expressions, and real natural Portuguese. Slowly, clearly, and always with a smile. And the best part? You practice without even noticing. You listen, you laugh a little, and suddenly, you're speaking better than yesterday. So, whether you're just beginning your Portuguese journey or you're finally ready to feel confident in real conversations, you're in the perfect place. This is Talk Portuguese, a cozy, friendly podcast where Portuguese feels simple, warm, and natural, almost like talking to a friend. Are you ready for today's conversation? Então, let's talk Portuguese.